everyone, welcome back. Is Depop crashing the second you tap it or refusing to open at all? Here's the fix straight from Depop's own help center. Depop's official troubleshooting starts with making sure you're on the latest version. Open the App Store first, tap on it, and then tap your profile picture at the top right and pull down to refresh. Look for Depop in the update list and tap update immediately if it's there. Since Depop pushes a new app version every single week and running an old version is the top cause of crashes. After updating, if it still crashes, press and hold on the Depop icon on your home screen. Tap remove app, delete app, then tap delete app to fully uninstall it. Then open the App Store, search for Depop and tap get to reinstall it completely fresh. This won't delete anything from your shop. Your listing, followers and messages are all stored in Depop server. After reinstalling, go ahead to your settings app, then go to general, go to software update and install any pending iOS update as well. So all you gotta do is update Depop from the App Store first, then delete and reinstall fresh from your shop stays intact. Subscribe for more Depop fixes.